na nyankopon aka kire wo se akofo ado ben wini na prophet Kobe say on nyame nka asasam nti wo se no omo de no wefu bi aba omo be chinchim ne man ti yisi kura omo je ne machine.
No, you're making allegation, please.
Oh,
please.
me hono kan
No.
Oh, Ajimai.
I wasn't there, please.
Me, I was there.
Mr. Beautiful. 2016, which is 8 years now. Oh, wow.
I was there.
So you were a witness?
I was there.
Your floor bet media dance.
I was there. Na do we 2016. And the prophet Kobe Beshem come say Ghanaians will regret after 6 months.
Power the fair.
And when the sofa was super pastor Baka say was so the young fruits into Ghana by day. Around that time, and a job and free prophet Kobe so here all call me Kobe. The living room a two, you big living room, near was small living room. You call small living room. Or catch any say, what's also she shall come Ajimanu Grani out of form. Huh? Yes.